The mature red chili, captured here in extreme macro, reveals the intricate texture crucial for flavor and resilience in the field.
Spanning thousands of acres, this operation relies on precision and timing. Every morning, the teams head out to the fields.
The scale of this operation is truly immense, stretching across thousands of acres.
The rich, dark soil provides the perfect foundation for these industrial chili plants, thriving in the warm sunlight.
Moisture content is stable at 12%.
And the nitrogen levels?
Slightly low, but acceptable for this batch. We'll proceed with the recommendation.
Once the seedlings reach this stage, they are carefully transported to the fields for transplanting.
From this delicate sprout, a robust chili plant will grow, nurtured by precise greenhouse conditions. To ensure a successful harvest, the soil must be perfectly prepared. This heavy machinery aerates the earth, locking in the vital moisture.
The planting season begins early here. These massive machines are essential for covering the vast acreage required for industrial chili production.
The chili seedling is gently placed into the nutrient-rich soil, a critical step in ensuring a healthy yield. The irrigation system pulses steadily, delivering vital nutrients directly to the roots of the chili plants.
I've calibrated the main valve.
Pressure is normalizing now. We are good to continue the sequence.
The secret to the perfect chili lies not just in the soil, but in the meticulous care during these crucial early weeks of growth.
At the peak of the season, these fields produce thousands of pounds of high-quality crimson chilies, ready for harvest.
As the wind blows across the fields, the fully ripe chilies sway together, signaling the approaching harvest on this industrial farm.
The harvesting machine cuts the plants at the base, smoothly feeding them into the intake for processing. This ensures maximum yield with minimal waste.
Check the underside, they're ripening faster than expected.
Yes, we should focus the pickers on this row next.
The contrast between the rich, tilled soil and the remaining crop highlights the efficiency of the modern harvest.
Every day, this facility processes thousands of pounds of chilies, utilizing these advanced conveyor systems.
Served. The sorting process ensures that every chili meets the high standards required for export.
Once harvested, the chilies are immediately transported to the drying section to lock in their vibrant color and flavor. Once harvested, the chilies are immediately transported to the drying section to lock in their vibrant color and flavor.
Served. The sorting process ensures that every chili meets the high standards required for export.
Inside the drying tunnel, a blast of carefully balanced hot air circulates, beginning the process of dehydration. The grinding process is meticulous, ensuring the vibrant red chilies are transformed into the fine powder required for global distribution. Operating 24 hours a day, the automated line ensures that the chili powder is packed with maximum efficiency and precision.
Careful with that stack, make sure it's secure.
Yeah, we got it. Need another pallet ready at Bay 2.
This deep red color signifies the perfect ripeness achieved through careful cultivation. We process